When you round to the nearest hundred, you find which hundred a number is closest to. Is the number closest to 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, or 1000? Round 630 to the nearest hundred. Is 630 closer to 600 or 700? It is closer to 600, so 630 rounded to the nearest hundred is 600. Round 660 to the nearest hundred. Think, is 660 closer to 600 or 700? Round 422 to the nearest hundred. Think, is 422 closer to 400 or 500? Round 250 to the nearest hundred. (250) is halfway between 200 and 300. When a number is halfway between two hundreds, round up. 250 rounded to the nearest hundred is 300. Round 166 to the nearest hundred. Think, is 166 closer to 100 or 200? Round 999 to the nearest hundred. Round 872 to the nearest hundred. Round 1248 to the nearest hundred. Round 3784 to the nearest hundred. Round 3205 to the nearest hundred. Round 1652 to the nearest hundred. Stand up and get ready to move. Round 1841 to the nearest hundred. If it rounds to 1800, do penguin boxing. If it rounds to 1900, swipe your arms. Round 1299 to the nearest hundred. If it rounds to 1200, do sumo squats. If it rounds to 1300, lift weights. 1615 to the nearest hundred. If it rounds to 1600, clap. If it rounds to 1700, give a high five. Cool down, follow the dot with your finger. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel by subscribing for more math and movement videos.